What's going on with everybody? It's Valentine's Day, and look what she got me.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What you got me?
Happy Valentine's. I got your puppy bag. Right here, open it.
Look at that, guys. Wow.
Open up your present.
She got me balloons. What else is in here? I didn't even get her nothing because I've been so busy. I'm sorry, babe.
Just like last year.
The same chocolate?
Yes.
Thank you. What the? Look what she got me. It's Rice Krispie. Is this what you're talking about?
Yes.
What is this? So she got me
A love card.
a card.
And there's more in there.
Look what she got me. A Marshall's corn.
Since you like shopping there. A gift card for you.
So guys, I'm really excited right now. We're about to go get what, babe?
A puppy.
Puppy. We're gonna get a puppy, and we're not gonna tell you guys what it is, what breed it is. So we're not gonna tell you guys what breed it is, so stay tuned for the video. Watch the whole video so you can see what dog I am getting. So right now I'm on my way to go to the bank. Burger King. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful out here. Psych. Okay. Right there. We at the bank. Oh yeah. Don't record while you're driving, kids. So guys, we just got off from the bank, got the money. So yeah, got the money. Now we're gonna Walmart. About to go get this puppy his bed. Hopefully it's a good price compared to Petco, PetSmart, and all that. What you say?
So I hate when
Where the money at? Got the money right there.
Yes, and we want to live till we're 89, so we'll see you guys later over there. So no recording and driving.
The money's right there. We made it at Walmart, baby. Let's go. And look at all this. What you want? She wants some roses. That shit about to die. Look at all the things right here. Wow. Since I didn't get my fiance nothing, we shopping right now for it while we get the puppy some things. Look at her. For our wedding, we needed the vases. Babe, am I supposed to stay with the cart?
Yeah.
Oh shit. We're going to the dog aisle where all the puppies are at. Dog aisle, we're about to get the puppy a bed. She got her a little gift that I got a gift for her. And what does it say?
Princess.
Because she's a princess, soon to be a queen. Tanya's sad.
Not sad, I'm happy to have this princess.
No, you're sad that we couldn't get that sweater right there for the dog. We got a bed for it. We don't know how small the puppy is, but damn, we got all these. All this. Which one should we get? Maybe this one. This one look comfortable. Got to get some training pads.
This thing is already training.
Yeah, but the pads are right here. So we just got back from Walmart. We're about to go see the puppy right now at Petco. It's gonna be a cute puppy. You guys better watch the whole video. Watch the whole video. Let's go. The puppy. Ooh. This one's the one I was talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Take a cute one, babe.
Whichever you want.
Cute.
Yeah.
They're like a little. Oh.
This is.
We got him.
No.
Oh, we got it. Look at it. Oh, it's hella cute. Babe, face it this way. Look at it. It's a MALTIPOO, guys. Dang, it's hella cute.
Okay.
Oh, he's hella cute. Please don't pee on him. Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. Hi. Hey there. Now we gotta name you something. Hi. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so happy. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Thank you. What's up, guys? We just got home. Puddles is right there. He's so cute. But yeah, we just got home.
He's so
Dang, guys, I just missed it. He just peed right now. They said he was potty trained.
Is he a girl?
No, he's not a girl.
He
He got
lift his leg
he
up.
got a pee-pee. Of course, he don't need to lift his leg. Tanya think just because he didn't lift his leg up, he's a freak.
Well, now he does it.
You're stupid.
Are you sure he's a boy?
Yes, he's a boy. He got a wee-wee.
Why he like his leg up?
Because he don't do that unless there's like a tree or something.
You sure?
Yes.
He's happy because he peed.
Look how cute he is. He's been holding his fist. He want to play with mommy. Puddles. Guys, look how cute he is. God damn.
Can you feed the poor guy?
He must be hungry. Oh, he's gonna pee on you.
No, he knew. That's so smart.
Yay!
He barked and then he went to pee on the thing.
He's smart. Good boy, Puddles. You don't like the camera, boy? What's wrong? You funny. Look at Puddles, guys. He just shit it.
He missed his spot.
Yeah. Puddles. Say hi to the subscribers. Puddles.
Now you pick up his pee.
What's up, everybody? So my phone died. Battery was like, oh, look, he's so cute. If you got all the way right here to my video, like, subscribe, and comment what you think of my new pup. Oh, look, he loved me already. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Say, boy.